Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Microsoft Teams. Channels are a fantastic way to organize conversations and work around specific topics or projects within your team, making collaboration much more structured and efficient. Let's dive in and get this set up. First, you'll want to open Microsoft Teams and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials, especially if you're managing multiple workspaces or organizations. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main Teams interface where you can see all your recent activity and conversations. Now, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. Here you'll see several navigation options. Click on Chat, and from there, click on Teams and Channels. This section gives you a complete overview of all the teams you're part of and the channels within them. It's the central hub for managing your team structure and communication spaces. Next, find the team where you want to add your new channel. Teams are essentially your workspaces, and channels are the specific rooms or topics within those workspaces. Once you've located the right team, look beside its name for the three dots icon. Click on those three dots and a drop-down menu will appear with various options. From this menu, click on Add Channel. This action opens up the channel creation window where you'll configure all the details. You'll now see a form asking for some basic information. Start by inputting a channel name. Choose something descriptive and relevant to the purpose of the channel so team members immediately understand what it's for. Below that, you'll see a description field. This is optional, but it's highly recommended to add a brief explanation of what the channel will be used for. This helps set expectations and keeps everyone on the same page. Now comes an important decision. You'll see an option labeled Channel Type with a drop-down menu beside it. Click on this drop-down and you'll be presented with three options: Standard, Shared, and Private. A standard channel is visible to everyone in the team and is great for general topics. A shared channel allows you to collaborate with people outside your team or even outside your organization. A private channel restricts access to only specific members you invite, which is perfect for confidential or sensitive discussions. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After selecting your channel type, you'll notice another option for layout. Here you can choose between threads or posts. The threads layout groups conversations in a more traditional discussion format, while posts display messages in a chronological feed. Pick the layout that suits how your team prefers to communicate and collaborate. Finally, once you've filled in all the details and made your selections, click Create. Microsoft Teams will process your request and generate the new channel within your team. You'll see it appear in your Teams and Channels list, and all relevant team members will be able to access it based on the channel type you selected. And that's it. You've successfully created a channel in Microsoft Teams, giving your team a dedicated space to focus on specific work and conversations. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.